Do you want to log out your Facebook account from your current device or in other login devices? So don't worry, you are on the right place because in this video I'm just going to tell you how you can easily log out your Facebook account from your current device or from other login devices. So make sure to watch the full video to don't make any mistake, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started without wasting any time. And first of all, open up your Facebook, and if you just want to log out from this current login device, so just what you all have to do is go to the menu, and on the very down here you see the option of log out and then again log out. So what you all have to do is just click on this log out if you just want to log out from your current logged in device, or if you just want to log out from all of your devices where this particular account is logged in. So just click on this gear, see more in account sensors, and click on passwords and security, and here you see the option of where you are logged in. Just click on this option. So my this account is just currently logged in this device, so click on it, and here you see the option of select devices to log out. Just click on it, and then here you can just check mark the devices where you want to log out. If your account is logged in multiple devices, so it will give you a list of your devices. You can check mark, you can simply just select all and then just click on logout on the bottom to log out from all of the devices. So that is how you can easily log out your Facebook account from any device. So thanks to watch the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below.